Hi guys, it's Melly again. So today I recorded an easy one-pot homemade mac and cheese for you guys. It's super easy to make. It looks like this. It's so good. Yes girl, you heard right. One pot. Don't we all love that? Just one pot and don't have to dirty that many pots. Okay, so these are the ingredients needed for the mac and cheese. You will need 2 cups of milk, half a box of the elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons of butter, half of this bag of cheese, which is 1 cup, and salt and pepper to taste. So I'm adding the milk to the pot, medium-high heat. Bring the milk to simmer. Okay, so the milk is simmering now. We're gonna add our pasta. So this is already half of a box. I used the other half last time. So just add half of a box and cook until the box says, or the amount that it says. Mine says 8 minutes, so I'm just gonna cook the timer for 8 minutes. So the milk is gonna start to rise up like this. It's normal, milk does that. Just bring down the flame to a simmer so that it doesn't overflow. Keep stirring every once in a while, or so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. All right, so the time is up. You're gonna turn off your fire. You are going to add in your butter and also add half of the bag of cheese, which is a cup, because the bag is 2 cups. And you can use any kind of cheese you want. I like sharp cheddar, but you can use mild if you'd like. Okay, and then you're gonna take your salt and your pepper and however much you wanna add, go ahead and add that now. I like a lot of pepper. And your salt, and then you're gonna fold everything in, like so. See how everything's coming together and combining? So just fold it all in. And this is with the heat turned off. You can add more salt and more pepper if you'd like. And then just keep folding. Basically until the butter melts. You see it's already melting. I don't know if you can see that little square right there is the butter. And you can definitely add more cheese if you'd like. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more cheese. Alright guys, that's it. There you have it. Easy one-pot homemade mac and cheese. Look at that cheesy goodness. You guys, I'm not kidding, it's so good. It's better than those Kraft box ones. Hands down. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!